Switzerland in summer is a wonderland of green hills, bright sun, and majestic mountains. The snowy peaks look like scoops of vanilla ice cream against a clear blue sky. Lakes shimmer turquoise, and the air is fresh with wildflowers and cut grass. Cowbells ring softly in the distance, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. Wooden chalets overflow with red and pink geraniums, brightening the dark wood. Rivers run clear and cold, and people relax at outdoor cafes, savoring coffee and Swiss chocolate. The days are long, the sunsets vibrant, and every corner feels like a postcard. You can take a boat across a calm lake or ride a train up a mountain for breathtaking views. Switzerland in summer is more than a place. It's a feeling of peace and joy, close to nature. The sounds of bees, birds, and gentle water create a soothing soundtrack. Here you can truly relax and let the beauty fill your heart. But even in this paradise, nature has another, equally beautiful side to show. The perfect summer day can change in an instant. And that's where our story begins. Our story unfolds in Lucerne, one of Switzerland's most enchanting cities. Nestled beside Lake Lucerne and surrounded by mountains, Lucerne blends old-world charm with modern life. Ancient painted buildings, cobblestone streets, and the iconic chapel bridge make it feel like a fairy tale. Climb the old city walls for sweeping views of red-tiled roofs, the lake, and distant peaks. The city buzzes with life. People stroll the lakeside, enjoy ice cream, and soak in the scenery. Every corner has a tale, from hidden squares to the moving lion monument. Lucerne is a place where art, history, and nature blend seamlessly. The city's beauty is timeless and its spirit unforgettable. But even in this storybook setting, change is always just around the corner. On a bright summer afternoon in Lucerne, the weather begins to shift. A gentle breeze stirs, cooling the warm air and rustling the lakeside trees. Over Mount Pilatus, small white clouds gather and quickly grow, darkening to deep gray. The sunlight dims, and the city's colors soften as anticipation builds. People glance upward, sensing the change as the wind picks up and flags flutter. The lake ripples, and a distant rumble echoes from the mountains. The sky transforms into a dramatic canvas of gray and purple. The sun disappears, and the world seems to pause, waiting. Shop awnings flap, leaves skitter across cobblestones, and the air grows heavy with moisture. The scent of rain fills the city, a fresh, earthy promise. Lucerne holds its breath, ready for the storm. The city's mood shifts from cheerful to expectant. Nature's power is about to take center stage. The first drops are moments away, and everyone feels it coming. The rain begins with single heavy drops, plop plop, on stone streets and cafe tables. Each drop leaves a dark mark, a gentle announcement of what's to come. The soft pitter-patter on umbrellas and windows mixes with the scent of petrichor, rain on dry earth. The air cools and freshens, and the world sighs in relief. Soon the rhythm shifts to a steady, gentle drumming. The river's surface dances with a million tiny circles, and the streets shine with growing puddles. Trees glow a brighter green, and the city feels newly painted. People open umbrellas, pull up hoods, or simply move under awnings. No panic, just acceptance. Children giggle, reaching out to catch the drops, turning the rain into a game. The arrival of rain is not an interruption, but a new chapter in the day. The city welcomes the change, embracing the storm's gentle beginning. The rain connects everyone in a shared, peaceful moment. Lucerne's story continues, now written in water. The gentle rain is just the start. Soon the storm will show its true strength. The rain intensifies, pouring down in silvery sheets and transforming the city. The sound is immense, 1,000 tiny drums on rooftops and streets. Gutters overflow, the world outside blurs into gray. The lake and mountains vanish behind a curtain of water. Thunder rumbles, deep and powerful, shaking the city's foundations. Lightning flashes, illuminating the storm for a split second. The city feels small and intimate, wrapped in a wet grey cocoon. Inside, people feel safe and cozy, watching nature's wild show from behind glass. The storm is a powerful reminder of nature's force, even in a city of history and beauty. And soon, the storm will pass, leaving something new behind. As the storm fades, the rain softens to a gentle shower. The city slowly reappears, buildings, river and mountains emerging from the mist. Everything sparkles, wet and shining in the soft light. Cobblestones gleam, rooftops glow, and trees drip with vibrant green. The air is crisp and clean, as if Lucerne has taken a refreshing bath. Water drips from roofs and leaves, creating a gentle, musical rhythm. Birds sing again, and a church bell echoes through the damp air. Sunlight breaks through, turning raindrops into falling diamonds. A rainbow arcs over the lake, a brilliant reward after the storm. The city feels peaceful, calm, and renewed. The storm has left Lucerne more beautiful than before. The world is fresh, alive, and full of promise. The city is ready for whatever comes next. In Lucerne, summer storms are met with calm and good humor. People find shelter under bridges or archways, sharing the moment together. The chapel bridge becomes a gathering place, with quiet conversation and laughter. Many embrace the rain. Couples stroll under umbrellas, children splash in puddles, and everyone enjoys the adventure. Cafes stay open, moving guests inside to watch the storm as entertainment. The rain creates a cozy, intimate mood, perfect for conversation or quiet reflection. After the storm, people linger, savoring the fresh air and sparkling city. Photographers capture reflections and light, while others simply walk and breathe in the clean world. The storm doesn't ruin the day, it makes it special. It's a reminder to slow down and find beauty in every moment, rain or shine. In Lucerne, even a storm is a reason to celebrate. The city's spirit shines through, no matter the weather, and life continues, brighter than before. Switzerland's weather is as varied as its landscape, thanks to the Alps. A sunny morning can quickly turn stormy as warm, moist air rises over the mountains. Summer thunderstorms are common in cities like Lucerne, Zurich, and Geneva, often brief but intense. The Föhn wind, a warm, dry breeze from the mountains, can signal sudden weather changes and even cause headaches. Swiss cities are built to handle all kinds of weather, with sturdy buildings and reliable public transport. People are practical, always checking forecasts and carrying umbrellas or raincoats. Despite storms, Switzerland enjoys plenty of summer sunshine. The Lake Geneva region has a mild Mediterranean feel, while Ticino in the south boasts palm trees and warmth. A Swiss summer holiday offers many weather experiences, from sun to dramatic storms. Most agree that summer storms add to the country's charm. They refresh the air, green the landscape, and make the scenery even more alive. The Swiss embrace the weather, knowing it's part of what makes their home so special. And after every storm, the beauty of Switzerland shines even brighter. As the last clouds drift away, calm settles over Lucerne. The world is quiet, with only the drip of water and birdsong in the air. The lake reflects the clearing sky, and the city glows in the fresh light. The storm has deepened the colors and sharpened every detail. Wet cobblestones shine, and painted facades look renewed. The city feels transformed, washed clean of the ordinary, now magical and new. The storm reminds us that beauty often comes with change. It's a moment to pause, connect with nature, and appreciate the world around us. The drama of the storm gives way to profound peace. A perfect day isn't always endless sunshine. Sometimes it needs a little rain to sparkle. Lucerne's character is richer for the storm, alive and ever-changing. The memory of rain, thunder, and calm becomes a cherished part of the visit. Nature's beauty is sometimes wild, sometimes gentle, but always unforgettable. And in Lucerne, every storm leaves the city more alive than before.